guys, this is the first DIY Saturday of the new year and I missed you guys so much. I was on vacation. You know what? It was not a vacation, so I'm not going to even say that it was a vacation. I was in Cali and I was spending time with family, Josh's family, and then I spent time with my family, and it was just a great time. But all I can think about is my YouTube channel, answering your comments. And you know what? I swore I was not going to talk a lot in these videos. That was the go, but I just have something to say to you guys. I read the comments and you guys are so mean to me, but you know what? I just decided to say that if you guys are mean to me, I knock. So don't be getting bucked, because if you want to get bucked, I knock. I just play. You know what? Everybody is entitled to their opinion. Just remember, I am from LA, and if you know anything about LA, we're pretty feisty there. So, born and raised, like the parts of LA where I'm from, we're pretty feisty. So, I love you guys. I miss you so much. Let's get into this DIY Saturday. Welcome to DIY Saturday with me, your host, Shundara. Hey, all you savvy naturalistas, welcome to DIY Saturday, and this is the first episode of the year. I missed you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Today, we're working with citrus fruit, and I'm really excited. Citrus season is here. I prefer to work with seasonal fruits when they're in season. So we're going to make citrus shower bombs or shower melts. This is really exhilarating. I'm going to tell you what to do, and then we're going to get into the DIY. What you want to do with your shower bombs is first you want to start your shower. You want to make sure it's nice and hot. Or if you don't like it hot, make it warm. Whichever you prefer, make sure your water is steaming. There's lots of steam, lots of mist coming from your shower water. Then you want to add 2 tablets. Well, no, you want to get in, you know, soak yourself and then say, hey, it's about time for me to add more shower bombs. So once you add your shower bombs, you add them in the water. Once, you know, the water is steaming and you smell it and it goes up your nose and you're like, oh, this smells so good. And then once it's done, then you do it again if you like, because the scent only lasts for so long. So you just do it for a little bit. So you guys, once that's over, you get out and you dry yourself off and you do whatever you do. I don't know what you do, and neither do I want to tell you what I do. I just put lotion on, but I'm gonna start, so stop talking because I miss you guys so much. And we're gonna go make our citrus sour melts. Okay, so we're gonna be making energizing shower melts, or like shower bombs, whatever you want to call them. And a lot of the shower melts I do, you guys, I want to say this, I am going to do bath bombs for them, but shower melts and bath bombs are like two different things, you guys. These are not moisturizing, but they're just to help uplift you, because nowadays people take showers more than baths, and it's just because the society we live in is sort of rush. So that's how it works, and we will not be working with Miracle Glow oil today, but you can always find it at savvynaturalista.com. And as well, the new formula, we added 24 karat gold to it. So if you guys want to check it out at savvynaturalista.com, make sure you do. So let's get into these shower melts. Okay, we're going to start off with baking soda. You want to do about a cup of baking soda. 1 cup. And you guys know you can find baking soda anywhere you like. And I'm really excited because this is the first DIY Saturday of the year, you guys. And you want to do a half a cup of citric acid, not too much. And you want to mix this all together. Now, shower melts are really pretty easy to make. You don't really need a lot. They're really very good. They help open up you, and they really help you relax. If you're just having one of those days where you need something to keep you calm, they're perfect for that. So once this is mixed together, you want to start adding essential oils. Now we're going to use lots of essential oils for this, so I'm going to start off. We're going to use a grapefruit essential oil. Now you can find essential oils on Amazon. You can find them anywhere you like. And the reason why these are energizing shower melts is because citrus season is here. I know a lot of people think that citrus season is in summer, but it's actually winter. All the citrus fruits grow in the winter, and that's for the state of California, as well as we have a huge citrus population. Now this is grapefruit essential oil, and I use 30 to 40 drops of that. And now we're going to use a lemon. So yeah, a lot of citrus fruits are very energizing for the body. So we're going to use a lemon, and it's about 10 to 20 drops. And I really love to take advantage of fruits and vegetables that are in season. So that's what I'm doing here. And we're going to use blood orange. We're going to use 10 to 20 drops of blood orange essential oil. So you want to mix it just to get the clumps out of it. If you really enjoy the smell of citrus and just the bright clean smell that it brings to your bathroom, you will really love these, you guys. And the more essential oils you need, honestly, the less water you will need. I don't like to use witch hazel or any type of oils because these are shower melts, and the goal for a shower melt, honestly, you guys, is just to help open you up, to relax you and keep you calm. So you really don't need to be adding oils to your shower tub. That's ludicrous in my opinion. And once you did your blood orange, we're going to use a little orange, just a regular sweet orange. And remember, citrus season is here, so you want to take advantage of all the citrus fruits. We have blood oranges, you have navel, caracara, you have mandarin. It's just so many beautiful oranges. And we're also going to use chill pill, just a little to keep you calm. So about 5 drops of this. And then once you do that with your shower melt, this is what it looks like with all the essential oils. So you want to mix this all together just like this. Just really nice. And make sure all your ingredients are incorporated. Look at that beautiful orange yellow tint that the essential oils are giving to our lovely shower melts. And you really didn't need to color these. Now if you want to color them, go ahead. But I just like to keep them a clean, nice color. Now we're also going to add calendula petals, and this is just for visual effect. If you do not want to add calendula petals, you do not have to. It's just up to you. And I really like to do a lot of stirring with this, so I just want to make sure all the essential oils are nice and incorporated, because once the hot steam from the shower hits them, you want to make sure they are good to go, each one. It smells really good. So you want to add calendula petals, you guys, which I'm adding, and this is just for visual effects. Like I said, you want to make sure it looks pretty, so you know, just in case you want to give these away as gifts. It's just because people love pretty things. I like pretty things. You like pretty things. We all love pretty things. So this is just for visual effect, to make it look nice and pretty. And plus it goes with the hue of the essential oils that was added to the mixture that made it a little yellow orange color. So you just want to add a pinch. You don't want to add too much calendula petals because remember, you are using these in the shower, and if you don't have a strainer in your shower, it could go down your drain and probably clog it. So just use these, just use a little bit of calendula petals. And then we want to add some water, so you spray it. Oh, and it's fizzing already, but just spray it just like this. You don't want to do a lot of spray, but just a little to make sure the more mixture is bind together, because once it binds together, you can start putting it in your mold, sort of like this. So once the mixture gets like this, you guys, you can put it in your mold. So we're going to use a heart-shaped mold. I kind of don't like heart-shaped molds to put them in because I find it really hard for me to photograph it. The hearts, I don't know why. It's just hard for me to photograph hearts. I don't understand. But I'm going to try one more time to photograph them. So this is all you do. You just add it just like this. And they will puff up a little bit. See how it's puffing up? And that's from the citric acid and the baking soda. And you don't really, like I was saying in the beginning, you really don't need to add witch hazel. It's just a waste to use a great, see how they puff up, you guys? I don't know if you can see that, but they puff up. But before I started to show you guys how they puff up, what I was saying is, it's just a waste of adding oils to the shower. Like, I really don't understand. If you're making shower melts, for instance, for aromatherapy purposes and like to clear your sinuses and stuff, it's just really a waste of time adding oils to them. That's just a waste of money. It's a waste of good things that you're not using. Like, if you're adding coconut oil, castor oil to your shower melts, you're wasting money. You're wasting product. Don't do that, you guys. You just need citric acid, baking soda, and your essential oils. Now, I am working on some shower melts with just baking soda, so we don't have to waste our citric acid, but I don't know, that's kind of going to flop, and I think it's because I'm adding too much of water, but I'm gonna try again for you guys just to see if it will work. So I'm gonna let these dry and we'll be back to unmold them for you guys. Okay, you guys, so we're back, and now we're going to unmold our oh my god, now we're going to unmold our exhilarating shower bombs, our citrus shower bombs, our shower melts, whichever you prefer to call them. And this is what they look like. You see? Oh, let me do a close-up for you. Look how beautiful. Look it. Here's another one. And you guys, I used one last night for the shower bomb. All you do is just pop one in the shower, and they smell so lovely. So here's one, and this is what they look like. They open you up, they keep you calm, and they just smell so good. So you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this DIY, the first one for the new year, and I hope you're still on your resolutions. Mine is to get a little smaller because I put on a lot of weight when we went on to see family in California. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next DIY Saturday. Bye, you guys.